Hi guys. So I don't know about you, but my husband is a huge fan of sourdough bread. And I have been wanting to start my own sourdough starter for a long time now. And so I am going to go through the whole process with you guys. So basically what a starter is just fermentation process. You have your flour and water, and that's it. You don't need anything else to get started. I need a measuring cup. So to get started, from everything that I've read, all you require is 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of flour. I'm going to do this without a funnel because I'm, like that. And a half a cup of water. Basically, you want both of these items to be the same weight, and then you get it all mixed together. I'm going to use my handy dandy chopstick here. You just want to get it all combined. It's going to be nice and sticky. So I like to put, well, I say I'd like to put, but I've never done this before. So you're going to be learning right along with me. This is my first time, and for everything that I've read, you want to put it in at least enough room for a quart. So this is my quart jar, and we're just going to make sure everything is incorporated here. Okay, I think that's probably good. My apron keeps falling off. Okay, so with that, once it's all combined, what you want to do is you can use cheesecloth, or if you have coffee filters. I don't drink coffee, so I'm just going to use a paper towel because the cheesecloth that I have is just really big and I don't want it taking up that much space. So we're just going to put that on and hold it in place with a couple of rubber bands. And then tomorrow, you want to leave this on the counter. You want it room temperature, by the way, and you don't want it in direct sunlight. So you want it out of the way, maybe in a cabinet to where you see it every day. And then tomorrow, we'll take half of it out and then put in a little bit more. And we'll get to that tomorrow.